Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday to you. Happy hump day. We already in March, man. Already in March. 2 months gone. They gave y'all the opportunity of a lifetime in the last week with these pullbacks. I know the jobs report came out today. They added 63,000 jobs. It said that was one of the best months since like July or something along those lines in the headline. I didn't really read the whole article. Like people pricing this war in. It's a nice green day today. As you can see, it started out bad, and it's fighting its way back. So the Bulls are winning, man. When you have the opportunity to buy these dips and these pullbacks, you got to take advantage of it. You can't sit there and time the market, say, "Oh, tomorrow I'm gonna get it," because in a matter of time, 20 minutes, people's volume start going up. These stocks will be up. But y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Even for beginner investors, think y'all starting to see how the market works. Anything that happens with the economy, politics, dealing with oil, a hurricane can come hit something. Just anything in general can affect the stock market. People start panic selling. When they sell, you need to be buying. When they buy, you need to be selling. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel. Also, let's get to it, man. Urgent buys, urgent sales. I had a bunch of sales today. Stuff I brought and sold to lower my average cost, like I said I was going to do. Let's start with ticker HOOD, Hood, Robin Hood. I brought 3 shares earlier this week at $73. I sold it today at $82.38, which lowered my average cost to $98.71. I just put another buy limit order in at $73.90. I got 3 for $65 just in case it pulls back. Anyway, I did 3 for $65 and I did 73.90 and I did $73. In case it go back, I'm gonna buy them and it go back up to $78 plus. I'm gonna sell them just to lower my average cost. I'm gonna keep my remaining 21.9 shares. I'm just doing this to lower my average cost. Arbor Realty, ticker ABR, is another one I sold. I sold not all of it. I sold at $8.75, like I told y'all in the video on yesterday. I sold 600 and something shares. 516 shares at $8.75. These are all the shares I brought at like $7.38, $7.50, and all that there, the $8 and under mark. Lower my average cost to $8.20. It's at $8.82 now. Can this pull back again? Yes, it can. It does. Probably going up now because they got the ex-dividend date is March the 10th. You're going to get 30 cents a share. That's probably why it's going on the rise. And after the ex-dividend date, it's going to come right on back down. But this been doing this for the longest, going up. Just the last 3 months of it. It'll go up there and come back down. So we're going to see what's going to happen. I didn't take no chances. Come back under. I will buy more and rinse and repeat. That's Arbor Realty. Another one I sold is RC Ready Capital. Put a sell limit order in. Everything I brought cheap. It went down and made a new 52-week low at $155. So from $155 to $2, everything I brought, I sold at $2.13. I sold 242 shares. This the thing that I'm showing you. If you look at realized loss, it say negative $359.86. That's just how they calculate things. But you gotta remember, I brought all these shares at we're at 190 or 160, 175, 180, and if I sold them at 213, I actually made money. But that's how they do it. But they take it away from here, so my average cost now is $2.11. So technically, right now I'm up. That's just how Robinhood's system calculate things. So, and I still got the remaining shares. Coinbase is up. Got Kathy Woods went in there and brought like $2 million, a couple $1 million of Coinbase, and she brought and Robinhood. That's why it's up today. Coinbase up $15.30 with 15.26%, which means Coney, which we trade, is up 12.71%. She brought Coinbase and she brought Hood. Webull, ticker BULL, is also up today. Got up to like 646. They got earnings at the end of the market today. And let's get the trade, man. Also, an urgent one. Horizon, one of my favorites, 11 cents a share, had bad earnings on yesterday, so it caused the stock to drop. It reduces dividend from 11 cents a share to 6 cents a share. Still got about 11% dividend yield. Well, right now it'd be actually more than that. Say 4.57. So I'm gonna give y'all the dividend yield. It'll be at this price right now. Get my calculator real quick. What the dividend yield right now is. So we do 6 cents. It's gonna pay out. So that's 0.72 cents a year. Divided by 4.57 times 100. So I got a 15.75% dividend yield right now at this price. Which before it was like 21, like 22% or 21 or something. Anyway, am I buying this? Yes, I am. Everybody overreacting, panic selling is still a good buy. Plus it pays out every month. So that's where I'm moving. Remember, you the CEO of your portfolio, so you got to do what's best for you. SVOL, loading up on this one, got down to 1627 at 1637. I'm at 1636. 30 cents a share every month. So definitely buying this one at this price. This could be a nice swing trade also, and it go back to make about $1 a share on this one. SVOL, EARN, earn, got down to 4.84 today. Pay 8 cents a share every month. I put a buy limit in at that price. So right now, what my mind is, especially like Robinhood, Webull, SoFi, those are hot stocks. I got one portfolio for the long term and one in Robinhood. I'm gonna be buying and selling it like everybody else is. I'm gonna be making money on this margin with dividends and capital gains. So that's why I'm moving at now. I will let y'all know the move that I make. If you want to get in, do it. If you don't, that's fine too. SPYT pay like 32 cents a share. 52-week high is 1868 with a low of 1487. It's definitely a buy at 17 and under. I done brought a couple $100 of this already there. I lowered my average cost to 1752 from 18 something. So definitely go get you some spit, because they mess with the S&P 500. Got Netflix. Let's go check out that. It's at 98.62. 52-week highs, 134.12. Go get you some of that while it's under that $100 mark. I'm buying $5 a day at these prices here. Got XLF at 51.08. Got down to. This one here look like it's about to rise back up. I'm getting some of that. COF Capital One. This one I forgot to check out today. 196. Still got a 52-week high of 260. What was 196? COF. This is definitely one I'm loading up on, along with Amazon, even with AMZN. Amazon got down to 210.58 today. Like that's trying to push back up. SRLN, the 26 cents a share a month, pay out monthly, about an 8% dividend yield. Got down to 39.64. Go get you some of that. IWMY, the Russell 2000 options, got down to 1938. At 1958. Going in to get me some of that. At these prices here, just lowering my average cost, building my position. If you look right now, I'm at 2053 with 250 shares. Let's look at QQQY, NASDAQ 100. No, this one wasn't going to stay down too long. It's at 2226. I'm going to go and get me some at 2171. Pays out every week. All right, we got some of that. PFLT also came down because this one I like to pair with Horizon Technology. This came down to 818 today. Let's see, 811. This is going to be a nice swing trade here. 8.11. Anyway, we do like I was doing before for now. Just going to get me some of that. Lower my average cost. KLIP clip. 2622 is where I want to go in at with this one. If I was to load up, but I'm not. Got this on the dollar day recurring anyway. It's a little long-term hold right there. Nothing I really want to trade. OXLC clip paid 58 cents for this month. OXLC down to 849. Got buy limits in at 829 and 820 for OXLC. Paying 40 cents a share for this month. Then they're going to reduce it after that to 20. So this probably going to come down some more. We're going to go with Flowers Foods. $9.06. Dividend yield right now is 10.64%. Definitely one I like. I don't like that sector, but I'm already in it. So I got to buy it. Wendy's got down to 732 last time I checked. Got a nice yield, 8.92% dividend yield. They're making some changes for the company. Also, get some DEA. DEA came down 23. It was at 22 something. It's another one I'm getting. Gonna be a nice swing trade. Nothing I'm gonna keep. Like I said, everything I'm keeping gonna be dealing with the S&P 500, Magnificent 7, and semiconductors. Nike came down to 58.66. Go get some of that. Lower my average cost there. Ticker GIS, General Mills. 43.39 it came down to. Right now, dividend yield 5.46%. Got COF. We did Capital One already in QQQY. Okay, let's get to our go check out traps. We get on out of here. Like I said, Green Day be a shorter video. Okay, Horizon, that's the one down. We already went there. I just want to see what they say the dividend yield is. Let's see, 21%, but it's actually like 15, being that they done reduced it. I need to go check out Brandywine too, BDN. I need to sell some shares like I did before to lower my average cost. Arbor Realty is on the tear. I'm gonna see how long that's gonna last though before they start taking profits. See if it break that $9 mark. But I'm gonna keep the remaining shares for the dividend. Rinse and repeat it, because I know it's a lot of people that's down in it. Got our earn, got our SVOL. I want to look at that. I think this the one I just sold for $15. Yeah, $14.93. Okay, I'm gonna let the rest run. This what trading about, man. If you get everything down packed, BTCC, I've been buying this at 16 and under. So I didn't get my buy yesterday at $15.92, but I got them waiting. Slowly lowering my average cost. And this one, this pay out every other week. And we're looking on Coney. The average cost $52.89. I think they got that on like $2 a day recurring. I forgot I did get some fiat today. I brought $50 worth. I reinvested all my dividends I got for the last couple of weeks. When this pulled back, because people going to take profits on Coney. Remember, when fiat is down, Coney and Coinbase is up. When Coney and Coinbase is... When fiat is down, that means Coney and Coinbase is up. When fiat goes up, that means Coney and Coinbase is down. So when they sell off Coinbase and come back down, fiat going to go up. So that's how that works. So this the time for you to buy it now. DKL energy stock, why this going down, I don't know. All other energy stocks are up. ACHR, this going to be another one I'm about to start swing trading. You ask me why, you got to look at that trade volume on this stock. 34.56 million, that's what they doing, they trading it. Today's low 660. And I think I got about order in at 651 too from yesterday. Yep. So I'm about to start doing the same thing with these. It seems like some of these are long-term plays, but people are trading and making money. So let me join the game. I know how to chart it, and that's what I'm about to do. Still get dividends and make money on capital gains. I can make me an extra, hell, $12,000 from trading. On top of that, I'm cool with that. Even 500 will be good in capital gains, which I should do more than that. But that's it, man. Signing off. Stay safe. Go get your money.